In this video, we're going to walk you through the process of creating an Apple ID right from your Windows PC. Whether you're new to the Apple ecosystem or just need to set up a new account, we've got you covered. At first, open your preferred web browser on your Windows PC. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other browser you like. Then go to the following page. Once you are here on the Apple account website, look at the top right corner of the page and click on Create Your Apple ID. This option will allow you to start creating a new Apple account for free. You'll need to enter your personal information. This includes your first name, last name, select your country or region, and enter your date of birth. Down here, enter your email address. Now, enter a strong password to use for the Apple ID. Make sure to choose a strong password. Move down and enter your phone number. After that, scroll down, enter the CAPTCHA verification code, and then click on Continue. After entering your information, Apple will send a verification code to the email address you provided. Check your email inbox, find the verification email from Apple, and enter the code in the appropriate field to verify your email address. Click on Continue again. Verify your phone number to finish setting up your Apple ID. Click on Continue. Done. Your Apple ID is created. And that's it. Once you've completed all the steps, your Apple ID will be successfully created. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.